Hi people, this is Lydia from TLC Slots, and we are here in fabulous Cripple Creek, Colorado, and we're playing at Bronco Billy's. Let's go win some money. Okay, so I found the dancing drums, and it has a grand of over $12,000. I put in a voucher that I had for $124, and it's only a penny denom, and we'll start with 525 beds. We want 3 drums, this column, and this column. These are wild, and those also fill this pot. When it gets full, it will spill, and that's the only way I can win the grand. Hey, those coins are doing well today. I want to hear the beat of the drum. Drum. Come on, drum. And, oh, the pot's spilling. That's what I want, the grand. Oh, give me one more. Oh, come on, grand. 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 It's always a mini. $10.83. All right, let's hear some drums. Ooh, that'll be good. $36. All right, drums. Come on, drums. Oh, we need 3 of those. I want to hear it again. Come on. Dogs. Oh my gosh, I got $192 in food dogs. Oh wow. That was come on, get something. Come on, Ray Trigger. Okay, pot, it's time to spill. One more spin, make it count. Let's get some re-triggers. Come on, drum, 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 drum. Ooh, $36. This turned out to be a really good bonus. Now the pot needs to spill. Wow, I made almost 350 bucks. Lovely coin show. Oh, 444, that's a lucky number. Okay, let's do a couple backups. That would have been nice. I put in 124. Maybe, okay, come on. We will go, we'll do 424. Last spin. Oh, maybe I can do one more. And with that, I'm going to cash out because I just made a $300 profit on this dancing drums. And there you have it, people.